silent night, holy night. So what?
Look at Baba. He has a video camera. I'm just showing you where we live. Where we eat. We watch movies. We sing. We watch you. We love you, Pakhi. I love your belly. Don't you like us? Yeah, that feels nice. See? It's okay. I won't let my Katie scare you. I like animals. I like you too.
Yeah.
Can you see how do you whistle? Huh? How do you whistle? You're mine, like right there. Good. There you go, Pakhi.
One at a time.
Guys, shush. I calmed him down for you. He really likes me. He didn't like it when you started fighting. See, I took him all the way to here. I actually walked him, talked to him. Watch. He'll let me pet him. Oh, he's scooting. He's scooting. Because there's two people. Oh, shh. Okay, his head is going down. That means. Because he doesn't know who I am.
Because you might move your hands so that I can see the bucket.
He's like, what you doing? We are. Wow, his feet are warm. Feel him? He might not. No, Katie, not right now. You have to hold him. Guys, don't. You're scared. Guys, get away. He's scared of you now. Come on. Do it now. He's getting up from me. And then he'll fly away from us. No, he won't. Baba, can I hold him back? No, Maya. That was so cool. He jumped.
Okay.